Hari Om and Namaste everyone. We welcome you all to the Swaranjali Students' Day. And now I would like to request Satish Muluk, President of Chinmaya Mission Pittsburgh, to come and do the opening remarks.
Hari Om, everyone. This, by the way, is the job given to those without any talent. That's why I'm up here giving this talk. But I'm honored to give it, actually. We're here to celebrate Swaranjali. It's the offering of music to the divine. And you know, the word Swaranjali is imbued with a great deal of meaning. It reminds us that every note, every melody is a sacred offering to Bhagavan. Swara to Ishvara is the slogan, actually, for Swaranjali. Now, many of you will be shocked, stunned even, to know that I was ignorant of this word until several years ago when Guruji mentioned it. Guruji Swami Tejayamananda visited us, and he listened to some of our talented singers. And when he listened, he suggested, actually, that we establish a Swaranjali program. So that was how this program started. One could say that this is the result of Guruji's Sankalpam. But for a Sankalpam like that to come to fruition requires a lot of dedication, a lot of karma. And that's where Sujana and Sheila have stepped in. That's where they have really taken on this task over many years. And it's because of their tireless efforts that Guruji's original vision has been transformed into reality. And not just any reality. I believe that our Swaranjali program really stands out as a beacon of musical devotional programs across all Chinmaya centers in North America. Sujana and Sheila, with help from others, have created multiple independent programs. They've supported many of the other activities we do at Chinmaya Mission. For example, we count on them, the Swaranjali team, to do bhajans for our puja programs, for our Jnana Yagnas. All of that, we really rely on them. But of course, their talents and their work goes way beyond just individual performances. Because what they've done over the years is to really create an awesome training program, a Swaranjali training program. And that has allowed this flame, if you will, to extend throughout our community and really across generations, right? That's how this kind of thing moves on. But I want to take a minute to acknowledge their selflessness. They do all of the work of the Swaranjali program as volunteers, and all of the proceeds from the program go to support CMP. But even beyond that, when they do music teaching outside of CMP, they've directed that Guru Dakshina also come to CMP. So for me, they're enormous. Really shining examples of what we would call karma phala tyaga, because they're renouncing all personal gain for the greater good. Today, what we're here for is to celebrate another year's worth of learning and dedication by the Swaranjali students. I'm filled with a lot of anticipation and gratitude. The Swaranjali students are going to show off their newfound skills, both young and older, and they'll all offer their voices the tribute to Bhagavan. You know, some students' days, if you've been to them, they're going to be performances that only parents can love. But that's not what you're going to hear today. Those are beautiful in their own way, but I've heard some of these rehearsals, and that's not the kind of program you're going to get today. What you're going to get today is a program that allows us to go from Swara to Ishvara. So I want everyone to listen and allow these melodies to uplift your spirits and deepen your connection to Bhagavan. Hari Om.
So this is apparently the last song. So there should be a competition between all of you clapping and joining the song and their singing. So please try to encourage them more.
Thank you all. Thank you for the wonderful hand claps and the encouragement for the youngsters. Sheila and I wanted to introduce the names because they came and sat on the stage. We didn't have a chance to introduce the kids. So kids, as we say your name, please do your namaste so people know who we are talking about. We'll start on this left side and go up and work our way upwards. So the first boy here with the glasses is Sudeep.
Satvik.
And next is Gauri. Sorry, with some logistics we're trying to work out. Let's do that again, actually. Sudeep. And
Satvik.
Gauri.
Veda.
Aruhi.
Sai.
Sai. Next is Lalita.
Surya,
Radha,
Sanvi,
there were two tiny tots here who had to walk away due to emergencies. We would like to call them and get their small little tokens.
they held up very well until the last minute, I think. Reyansh,
Reyansh. Pallu, that is Reyansh. And we have Miara. Okay, now we'll start on the other side. First, we have Shruti.
Dia,
Janya,
Soham,
Kirtana,
Harshita,
and Sharva. Satish mentioned as in his opening remarks about the kids, the efforts and everything of the Swaranjali program, but we wanted to also just share a couple of words that these kids come every Friday for the classes. So really, we have to applaud their parents first of all for bringing them, and also them for sitting in the class and making it a part of their daily or weekly routine, we should say.
and every single Friday they come practice. Whether we are ready or not, I don't know, but they come practice and they tell us what song they have practiced and would like to work on, and their energy and enthusiasm is really commendable.
So, since we are starting off, we started the first segment. I would like to we'll postpone the instrumental introductions to after the adults sing. So please bear with us. Kids, slowly, if you can rise without knocking over the mics and make your way outside on the other side. And
We would now like to invite the adult participants to come up on stage as soon as the kids are down, and we would request all of you to stay back and enjoy the adults sing as well.
think we'll ask all the adults to come and get seated. And for all the kids who just got off the stage, we'll need you to, hopefully you can now sit and watch your parents. And so you can sit down and quietly watch. The pictures with the adults will happen afterwards.
Hari Om again. We were planning to do the adult introductions after they are done, but there were some instrument adjustments, so we thought we'll come and start it off. Okay. Are the instruments okay? Set up, Sarah? So, while we have your attention, we can give you a small, what do we say, background about how this whole thing started. I think it was back in 2015 or something. We thought, how about we have so many bhajans in our repertoire. Why don't we do something about it? And at that time, Sheila and Ganesh used to live in South Hills. So it was a good 45-minute trek for them. But we started this, I think, in 2015. And they used to come every Friday to our house. We didn't have, obviously, the center then. And we started training a few ladies. Now, the beauty about bhajans is that you don't have to be an an ace Carnatic singer, you have all the technical aspects to you. You can just love to sing. That's all you need. That's the only prerequisite for this.
Yeah, so when we started, we didn't realize that this is going to be these many ladies and kids that we will, end up working with on every single Friday. So from 2015, where we started at Sujana's house, to where we are now, it's, I think, commendable because of the effort that all of these ladies and the kids put in towards this particular program. So it's not easy to set aside that chunk of time on a Friday where you could be, maybe partying or, doing something with your family. So I think we really have to give it to all of these ladies and all the men here also, and the kids who take the time out to come to the classes, then go back home and practice it diligently, and so excited about the whole thing.
And the other thing about bhajans is, as you might have noticed, they're multilingual. So we are actually calling out to that Bhagavan, not just in one method, but we're using Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, all the languages in Sanskritam. And, so that actually exposes the adults and everybody who learns to more and more of our Sanatana Dharma in its own way. So that's why I think Guruji was excited to call it Swara to Ishvara, because no one is looking at the technical aspects of this. It is simply an offering. It is actually not even a performance. And they offer it just as a bhakti tribute to that Ishta Bhagavan of whoever it is that we have. So it has been a beautiful journey for us. I have to say we've had a fair share of challenges because sometimes everybody won't come, and then we have to make sure that we reteach that song. So this is some challenges, but it's well worth the journey that we've been on. So hopefully everyone is ready. So let's take a listen.
This next song, we just wanted to announce, it was written by our very own Jyotsna Bhagini for Chinmay Amarnath specifically. So it's a very special bhajan for that reason. Please enjoy.
Sundareshwara Sadguru Shashivadana Sarasi Janaya
Thank you all so much for taking the time out of your Sunday evening to come and attend this event today. We're very, very grateful for your presence here today. We just wanted to introduce all the names of the participants of this evening and give them a small token of appreciation. First, we'll begin, I guess, just with no particular order. Let's start with this. Okay. So you want to start, Sheila?
So we'll start with Deepthi.
Next is Preeti.
Padma.
Swarun.
Pallavi.
I can't see from here. Deepika.
Nitya.
Pavani.
Saru.
And in the next row up, we'll start with Madhuri.
Vishala.
Sweta.
Hema.
Lavanya.
Matangi.
Purnima.
Asha.
And on the topmost row, we'll start with the left side. Vibha.
Vaishnavi.
And we end with Akhil. And we'd like to show our deep appreciation for all the accompanying instrumental artists today. It was very, very kind of them to come and join and spend their evening with us. And by the way, I'll start with Nilesh because he's on the harmonium. Thank you very much, Nilesh. It was melodious. And Sheila and I have collaborated with him a lot in our various projects. And Nilesh is always ready to come and play. So we're really, really grateful. Followed by next.
Avaneet, who's on the tabla.
Next we have on the sitar Asavri ji. The one thing I would like to say is apparently the shruti, the scales of these songs are not very easy for the sitar to kind of gel with. But she was very gracious to just come and try, and she played, despite all those challenges. Thank you very much for that.
Next we have Sarang on the violin. So sometimes we take our own children for granted. So Sarang is always available to play for us whenever we request him to. We don't really care. Sometimes we don't even think about his schedule and we just volunteer him for playing. So, but he's very accommodating. So thank you very much.
And if we talk about taking for granted, it is this very person here. Ganesh, the fantastic playing first of all, and he's also a constant source of just support and being there, and he's always giving his valuable feedback. Although between Sheila and him there's a lot of clashes sometimes. But I'm there to be the buffer and kind of, understand where he's coming from on many things that he suggests. We later see why he said it, and it's really good idea. So thank you, Ganesh, for all your patience. It has been a pleasure for us to be a part of this journey. Hopefully, we can continue this event year after year. So we'd like to invite actually Dr. Kamala Reddy to just come and give her vote of thanks because we didn't want to be monotonous here, keep on saying the same thing over and over again. So she's going to finish up today.
We're going to have Kamala come up in just a moment. But before Sujana and Sheila leave the stage, we want to give 3 more tokens of appreciation. One is for the person who made all of the sound, the lighting, all of that possible, and that's Shobhan. We'd like him to... And of course, we have to give our gratitude, deepest gratitude to Sheila. And also to Sujana.
Hari Om. It gives me great pleasure to have the honor of delivering the vote of thanks today. As you all know, an endeavor of this kind needs so much of commitment, hard work, effort, time, and dedication from all the students, their parents, their families, but most importantly also from the teachers. They have to take time away from their families, their work, and other responsibilities to share their God-given gift to all of us so we can enjoy the sweetness of this art form and also just soak in the bliss of the devotion that it invokes within us. So at this time, I'm sure the students of Sujana and Sheila would like to express their gratitude to their teacher in their own words. So I would like to invite Soham and Kirtana from the kids group first to say a few words.
Hari Om to all my respected gurus, aunties, uncles, brothers, and sisters of Chinmay Mission. My name is Soham. Before I begin, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude. First, let's give a round of applause to all the Swaranjali performers for their performance today. But more importantly, thank you to the audience as well. Your presence here today means the whole world to us, and I want to thank each and every one of you for your unwavering support. I'd also like to extend a special thank you to our beloved teachers, Sujana Aunty and Sheila Aunty. Your commitment to teaching us the melodies of bhajans, and not just the notes, but their profound meanings, is truly divine. It's through your guidance and encouragement that we're able to share our love for music with everyone here today. Your patience, encouragement, and unwavering belief in our potential have inspired us to push our boundaries and strive for excellence. Whether it's spending extra hours refining our techniques or sharing invaluable insights from us into the rich tradition of Indian classical music, you both have gone above and beyond to ensure that we not only sing well, but also understand and appreciate the essence of the songs we perform. I'd like to now hand it over to Kirtana.
Thank you, Soham. Hari Om, everyone. My name is Kirtana Visvesh, and on behalf of the students, I would now like to thank the instrumentalists. I first want to extend a big thank you to Ganesh Uncle, Sarangana, and Nilesh Uncle. Ganesh Uncle, Your Mridangam brought the entire performance together, from being there at every rehearsal, pushing us to always sing our very best with a smile on our face, to filling in every time we left too big of a pause in between songs. Thank you so much, Uncle, for accompanying us today on stage. Sarangana, the violin always makes every song sound 10 times better, and your keen hearing for any flat or sharp notes allowed us to be perfectly on pitch, but you'll have to be the judge of that. Nilesh Uncle, your prelude to every song is so beautiful and sets us to the right ragam before we start each song. And Uncle, by watching your smile and you enjoy every song, that is transferred onto us, and we start to enjoy every song so much more. We would also like to thank Shobhan Uncle for coming to every rehearsal and setting up the sound system for us. And kids, don't we all look so pretty today?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Visala Auntie, for getting all these costumes for us. We love them so much, Auntie. Again, on behalf of the Kutis and students, we would like to express our deepest gratitude to our Gurus, Sujana Auntie and Sheila Auntie. Thank you so much for teaching us such a nice variety of songs in different languages and different ragams and for different gods so that we can all sing to our favorite God. Thank you for organizing all of our practice sessions and giving us the opportunity to sing on stage today.
So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. And thank you for making this event possible. Let's continue to inspire each other and spread joy through our music. Thank you.
I now invite Deepika from the adults group to say a few words.
Thank you, Kamalaji. I think I cannot overdo what Kirtana and Soham did, but yeah, thank you girls for bringing out a great thank you and smile in all our faces by just thanking everyone, our gurus and everyone. So Hari Om and Sri Guru Bhyo Namaha. So as the saying goes, music is very spiritual. It has the power to bring people together. So it has brought us all here together on this Varanjali Students' Day to relish into the bhakti of the devotional songs presented today. So hope you all enjoyed this blissful evening filled with a feast to our eyes and ears. Thanks to each one of you for showing your support and encouragement to this wonderful evening. So the best teachers teach from their heart, and we are forever grateful to our wonderful gurus, Srimati Sheila and Srimati Sujana. So they have patiently taught us, corrected us, and encouraged us each time without putting us down at any point of time. So thank you so much for guiding us through this beautiful learning experience and bringing us here today to display our learning here. Thank you. So thanks to all the accompanying artists, Ganeshji, Nileshji, Ashwariji, Avneetji, and Sarang. Their music added so much to the beauty of the vocal rendition here, and thank you so much for coming to all our rehearsals and practices. And as the kids said, Ganesh always asks us to sit here with a smile, and their encouragement and enthusiasm brings more into our music nonetheless. Thank you. So thanks to Shobhanji, who is our pillar of support. Without his support, we cannot get the book. We have to get the auditorium booked for all our practices, rehearsals, the actual performance, setting up the stage, at the mics, at the right position, hearing our voices. So thanks, Shobhanji, for always making it and being patient with us. Thank you so much. So as they all said, we look beautiful here. So thank you, Vishala Akka and Vibha, for first coordinating and getting the measurements from all of us and putting us together so that we look so perfect and beautiful here today. And thank you, Vishala Akka and Satishji, for giving us all these costumes and sponsoring it for us. Thank you very much. So there's one more person I specifically wanted to thank, that is Saru. So with all the albums, we make so many changes in the lyrics and annotations, the notations, when we sing in Panchamam, Madhyamam, we keep changing things, and she patiently marks everything and puts that in the album so that we don't miss anything on stage here, and we go it through. So thank you, Saru, for doing this for us. Thanks also to the Ahara team for preparing delicious food for us today after the program to enjoy that. So as a token of our gratitude, we would like to present our appreciation to our Guru, Srimati Guru and Srimati Sheila and Srimati Sujana, the accompanying artists as well, and Shobhanji. I would request 2 little kids to come on stage to give our gift to the Guru. Oh, okay. So Pallavi, could you do the honors? Sujana. That's okay. This is from the students. Shobhanji. And Ganeshi. Yeah, and a special thanks to Vishalaka as well. So the generosity of all our students we had more contribution, and we would be donating that to Chinmaya Amarnath. So thank you everyone for enjoying this evening. Thank you.
As you can see, the students have done a wonderful job, expressing their gratitude, and they've made my job that much easier. So thank you all for coming today and supporting the students and the Swaranjali team. I wish them, the greatest success going forward in the future, and I'm sure you all will be like a jewel to our city. And thank you all for your, hard work and dedication. And the audience, thank you all for coming and supporting, and the facility and Chinmaya Mission as well. Thank you. So they have dinner ready in the dining area for all of us to enjoy.